Hi YouTube. Hi Amores. This is Annette Morris and I'm coming on to tell you about
This video is a collaboration with the DIY Mommy, and a playlist and a list of her channel will be listed down below in the description. This is Christina 2020 Outdoor DIY Decor Challenge. So let's get started
and see you there.
Now I thought this would be perfect for my outdoor decor with the color that I'm using for this year. I really like this look and I really want to try it. So I started gathering things that I already had around the house, and I came across everything, just about everything I need to pull this together. Okay, so let's see what happens. And I'm not shopping as much, so that's why I decided to search to do this challenge with things around the house. And as always, I'll show you everything that I'm going to use. And I usually give you a close-up of everything just in case you want to take a screenshot. So I decided to use a vinyl top liner instead of the contact paper that you pick up at the Dollar Tree. I just didn't want that wrinkle, so I like the smooth look of this. So that's what I'm going with. Now using my tacky glue, I'm covering everything, all the area that I can with this glue, because I really want this vinyl covering to really adhere to this. And because it's non-stick, it don't have any adhesive on it, I just know that I wanted it to be able to go on very smooth without coming up. So I want to make sure I cover all the area. And because it wasn't wide enough, I have to pieces on both sides. I have to cut pieces for both sides. And I'm blending it so that you really can't tell the difference, that it was pieced together. So this is the finished look after I cover both ends, and now I'm going to trim it all the way around and trim it to the shape of the circle. Now the next step after that would be to score it going all the way around the circle, and that way I'll be able to glue this to the back and have a smooth look on the front. Next I was going to apply this with the tacky glue, but I decided not to use the tacky glue, and I decided to use my glue gun. So that's what I'll be using to adhere everything, all the edges, my edges together. And here's a close-up of me actually doing that. So it's real simple, and you want to make sure you fold this over real tight, and you get a nice clean edge. Okay, and this is the finished look here. And you see once I flip this over, it really do have a nice smooth look. Oh, right there I decided I want to do that circle a little bit bigger than what it is. And that's the look. I'm satisfied with this. I think it turned out okay. I'm glad I didn't use the contact paper. It probably would have gave me wrinkles, but the vinyl give you a nice smooth look. Now I'll be using my X-Acto knife And that's going to help me to enlarge this hole like I needed. Okay, and this is the results right here, and this is the look right here. Now I decided not to stain this a dark brown or a stain. Now I went searching for ribbons that I would use. I like the one that I saw in the illustration, but I'm working with what I have. And these are the flowers that I decided to use. I've always wanted to do something with this, so I made sure I put these aside to use for a future DIY. And just happened that it worked out just great for this one. Now I think you can find these flowers at Michael's. I think I got them in a potpourri section. They come in a bundle with potpourri. Now I'm making a decision on how I want to arrange these, and I didn't have anything that looked like roses. I'm just trying to make up my mind. Do I want to flip them over to give me the rose look, or just use them like they are? So next I need to go find those dark color leaves that really brought the flowers out. I'm going to go look and search in my collection and see what I can find. Yes, this is exactly what I wanted to do. Now, if I want to stay close to what the illustration is, I will use these right here. You know those are very popular. And then I can cut these and also place them in there. So let's see what I decide to do. Yes, I think these will work out just perfect. Will give me the look that I'm really looking for. And I decided to try both ribbons. Don't worry, this won't get wet. I have a covered deck on the back and it won't get wet. Okay, we're starting to wrap this up. Now on the back I decided not to glue this down but to tape it down so I'm able to change the ribbon anytime I want to. And I attached this cord so it could hang, I can hang the wreath. This was the first look that I put together. I taped the ribbon in the back instead of gluing it down because that gives me the choice to switch out for a different ribbon and give it the wreath a different look. I didn't want to stain this, which I think I could have put a stain to this, but I really prefer the light look of the wood for my decor. So that's why I decided to go with this one. So do you like this look? Or do you like the second and final look? Comment down below and let me know. I would like to thank Christina for hosting this wonderful 2020 Outdoor DIY and Decor Challenge. And don't forget to check out the playlist for wonderful creators. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. And of course, subscribe. Thank you, Amores, and see you next time.